Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your name on Monopoly Go. It's pretty simple. You want to click on the 3 line at the top right corner of your screen after you open Monopoly Go. From over here, you want to click on your profile picture. Now once you click on your profile picture, it's going to show you your current name. My current name is Jubilean Crown 34, and right beside my name there's a little pen icon. So I need to click on the pen icon and change my name. So I'm going to name myself YouTube God 45. So this is going to be my new name. I'm going to click on submit. Once I do that, it's going to see if this name has been chosen by somebody else or not. So nobody has taken this name, so this is good. So I can click on submit, and just like this, my name will be changed. Now I need to click on save, and I'm done. As you guys can see, my name has been changed. Now remember, you can only change your name 3 times in Monopoly Go in total. If you go above 3, you cannot change it more than that. So you need to keep that in mind as well, alright? So I hope you understand how you guys can change your name on Monopoly Go. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future Monopoly Go video just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.